Welcome to the tutorial on how to create heatmap and Geoheatmap widgets in OCTOBUS. Heatmaps are used to visually represent data, showing the intensity of values in different areas using color gradients. For instance, in this tutorial, we will use PM 2.5 values to demonstrate how to create a heatmap widget. To add a heatmap widget to the dashboard, follow these steps. 1. Click the Create button or the plus button at the top of the dashboard. A Create New Widget modal will pop up on the screen. 2. Select the Heatmap widget. 3. Select the data. Our platform allows users to select multiple asset types, multiple assets, and multiple measurements, but all selected data must be of the same type. In this tutorial, we will focus on the PM 2.5 values from two assets. Select the data accordingly, then click the Next button to proceed. 4. Define your visualization. Name the widget title, match the range of values with colors, and click Add Condition to define the range of values. After that, click the Create button to finish the process. You will see the Heatmap widget successfully added to your dashboard. On the Heatmap widget, you can view information by hovering the mouse over a square or clicking the square to view full details. A modal will pop up on the screen displaying the asset's location, the last value of the asset measurement, the contact information of the person, and the notification message. If you do not find this information, it is possible that your asset does not have this information. Additionally, the color of the square will change according to your visualization setup. Now let's move on and create a Geoheatmap widget. Geoheatmaps display data on a geographical map, using color gradients to show the intensity of values in various locations. This is particularly useful for spatial analysis, allowing users to see how data varies across different geographic areas. For example, you can use geoheatmaps to monitor environmental data, track asset performance, or visualize customer distribution. To add a Geoheatmap widget to the dashboard, follow these steps. 1. Click the Create button or the plus button at the top of the dashboard. A Create New Widget modal will pop up on the screen. 2. Select the Geoheatmap widget. 3. Select the data. As in the previous case, our platform allows users to select multiple asset types, multiple assets, and single measurements. We will build our cases again on the PM 2.5 values. Select the data accordingly, then click the Next button. 4. Define your visualization. Name the widget title, match the range of values with colors, and click Add Condition to define the range of values. After that, click the Create button to finish the process. You will see the Geoheatmap widget successfully added to your dashboard. On the Geoheatmap, users will see radii appearing on the map. Your assets must have geolocation data. Otherwise, they will not be displayed on the map. When users hover over a radius, they will see the asset name and the last measurement value. The color of the radius will change according to your visualization setup. Now you know how to create heatmap and Geoheatmap widgets in OCTOBUS. Should you have questions, please leave comments under the video and we will get back to you.